to your right. Good. Really important, mate. Yeah. All right. Good. Keep moving. Keep moving, else this one will be confused.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Sorry, mate.
It's okay. Clutch down.
Clutch down.
And gently brake to a stop. That's fine, mate. No problem. Take it out of gear. Relax. That's nothing to do with your fault, mate. All right. It's not an issue. It's not a problem. What's the use of the horn for in that situation?
To beep him to make sure that he's aware of me.
What did he continue to do?
Kept reversing.
Did he look at us?
Don't think so, no.
No, I didn't think he did. But honestly, people don't react off the horn like that nowadays, do they?
A bit weird, to be honest.
It was.
Like if I hear the horn, I'd make sure to stop myself. Yeah.
That's right. What are people trying to warn of? Okay. So the only other thing that I would say is that always be ready to stop. But unfortunately, with where we were when I had that second blast of the horn, if we'd have stopped, where would we have been?
We would have been right in front of him when he was reversing, so we would have ended up hitting us.
Hitting you. So honestly, that's why it got escalated. So from a single beep, yeah. So he should then see us and wait. Then he didn't. Then it's like, hang on a minute, what do we do to decrease the risk in this situation?
Yeah.
Does that make sense, mate? All right. But just learn from that. Just think on what I did. Use the horn first of all a little bit, and then a lot, and then we're always ready to stop if needed. But like I said, stopping isn't always the lowest risk. The lowest risk there was to actually
slow down. Well, maybe just like stop.
What did I do with the steering wheel as well?
Steered away from him.
Steered away from him. So braking and stopping is often the key, but not always. Sometimes avoidance is also an option, but it's more than likely that braking, slowing and stopping is going to cure most things.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Alright, Sam, but you did well, mate, no problems.
To be fair, I think we just kind of also got lucky that no one else was coming the other way as well.
Honestly, if someone had been coming the other way, what would have been the course of action, do you think?
Probably, maybe, I don't know, well we couldn't really stop because he still would have hit us.
Honestly, you stop. Who's going to hit who if you stop?
He would have hit us if we stopped.
Unfortunately, we've taken every precaution we can, and maybe you just stop and just keep your hand on the horn.
Yeah.
And hope for the best. That's if there was an oncoming vehicle or road user. Alright? But it's a good thought, mate. It's a good one. Any questions?
No, maybe like obviously the turn beforehand I kind of messed up.
It's not a problem, mate. We'll discuss that now. It's not a problem.